Street Pete. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto, as we're live this morning to you. This is the second video of the day. Please, if you do like crypto news, if you do like crypto TA, if you like positivity talk, if you like talking about working out, spending our bags when we get older, being healthy, having a positive mental mind focus, we talk about all these things. Bring it to you today. So if you like these things, please hit the like and subscribe, hit the bell notification, hit the all button. So when we do go live, you get this stuff immediately. Today, the most important two guys I'd like to talk about, Big Daddy and Mommy. So we're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Ethereum as we relate them to Daddy and Mommy. I do like to relate Cardano, little bastard, at $2.24 as the baby, and they are the three top. So if you didn't know, what's the three top currency crypto assets? Well, we can argue all day. It's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. So if you want to have that argument, you can have it by yourself. So here we go. Without further ado, we bring crypto news to you. This is Bitcoin. We're looking at the daily on Bitcoin. And I wanted to bring this up to you really quick because I was looking at this and I was teaching some things, right? This is the shoulder created all the way back in January 2021. Then we're looking here. There's somewhere a head up here. And if you see, the head was the 65,000 in April as we came through, created a shoulder. Now there's an inverted head and shoulders pattern here. Inverted created. Then by that coming up, wondering if we're done. No, this is the shoulder coming up through, creating where we are now. And starting to touch, hopefully, something. And this is the trend line that we've been following all the way since the beginning of time, October 20th of last year. No big deal, just 1 year ago. But I'm showing you the trend line, how it's continuing to grow, and it's receiving its uptrend through now where we need to be very bullish. So what's going on right now? What I see right now is some time frame, some history growth of 186%. And this is where I got it from, if you were wondering, roughly about there, give or take. And please hit the like and subscribe if you do like this kind of stuff. There was a 262%, excuse me. And then when you move it over to here, obviously it'll change. So what I want to tell you is what we're expecting. So I'm expecting on the growth somewhere around this range. And this is a big deal. Let me see if I can get this fixed. 1 second. There it is, and there we are. So the growth coming through, and if you're interested in this kind of stuff, this is Bitcoin. I do expect something to come along on this price, and it's going to be 124.5, roughly 125% move compared to the 262 that we got previously. But if this move were to continue, and if this move was to continue to go, it would take us about roughly 82,000, 83,000. That would be amazing. I'm expecting this maybe in November. So I'm wondering, do we get a retracement? Do we continue to go through? Well, I would put an open long position once we broke through, show me new highs, show me a new buy, and it started going past 65. Then it would take us all the way, I wanted to say, and I've said this a couple times, this was my opinion price prediction. So if you care for an opinion of price prediction, I said 78. But as I continue to do TA and I continue to pay attention, there's a huge possibility in November that will already be here. So maybe 100K, 150, 125 is starting to look great for December. So I'm kind of excited. You're invited. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and yeah. We're going soon. It's looking pretty real here. There's a lot of things. The Polkadot network is looking great. Dash is finally starting to hit 200. But like I said, look to see maybe in January we come down off this trend line, and maybe in January you'll see something happen. This is March 22, but maybe we'll start to see come down 65. We'll start doing that type of thing. This is amazing that I'm going this far out into life, but then again, that's where I think we might see some corrections here. Pay attention. I mean, I'm telling you, it's weird how it works. Maybe we come down. There's gonna be a lot of things going on in the future that we're really not prepared for, and we don't really know what's going to happen because we have not really tested those levels in life yet for the crypto market. So we can only speculate and go on the percentages of what we have based off the history. And if I go to based off the history of percentages, well, I may never, you know what, I'm going to take a screenshot of this because I may never be able to keep this. You know how we go live every day and we change a million pictures, a million things. But I'm going to take a picture of this because this is a daily on Bitcoin, and I do predict things pretty well. And if you look at this compared to this, it actually looks very similar. So if we do touch 78K to be the top, or perhaps the 83 as I'm speaking, in the month of November. This is kind of exciting. A little sideways action before the December coming in, and this isn't exactly to the date, as you see the 20 2022. We're not talking about that. We're just talking about some sideways actions similar to this formation on this trend line here going up. That's all we're talking about. So without further ado, I just want to do some Ethereum, and then we're going to go. I just wanted to do a 10-15 minute video, nothing live, nothing with people asking questions. TA, we do owe a NKNTA as it's Saturday morning. A lot of people are sleeping, but a lot of these moves are going to come in exactly as I predicted here and there. So with the same format and the same history of growth, what did we receive here on the 24th? Well, I'm looking at from the 24th here all the way to the May 12th peak. We received 183% on the move up. So I copied and duplicated that and took us to the support level of where we were reaching, and that's the median of which we got here. If you see, it was all the way across here, the same medium. Well, I found the same medium here all the way across, and if you notice, very similar to the same kind of thing. A lot of support here, a lot of resistance. Resistance, support, resistance again. So if you pay attention to that and we take our history, Ethereum will take me to 5,500, and that may be the top prediction of the profit level taken I want to get at. What did I say? Well, I did say 4,000. I wanted to take profits. We're pretty much there right now, so I'm going to have to change my order up because once we break through here, 4,000 is going to be eclipsed. And what is that? Well, what was it last time we touched on Ethereum? The price was $43.74. So we are looking to break that high. 43.74. We'll put that orange. As we know, orange, we always want to break that price. And then we do go here for some support. As we know, purple we use all the time for support. Just do color coordinations. Here I'll put as the red zone, red, just because we really need something to happen here. It needs to break through. It needs to come down so we can get our understanding of where we're going. Does it hit the trend line on the support level of the 3,500 again and make people think that we should have taken the 4,000 profit when we had the chance? I don't know, but I see that the trend line is starting to consolidate in an upward trend, hopefully giving us a nice breakout in the upward ascending channel that we're receiving. So please pay attention to this, as this may happen sooner than later, or it may happen here, taking some time. But I do believe that we are getting some good volume in at the time frame that we're receiving this video. So the volume, EMA, exponential moving average. A lot of people sleeping at Saturday morning. I don't blame you. I can't sleep late anymore. Those days are over. What's the band doing? Well, the band got tight right here. Bollinger Bands are wide. Look to see when these bands come tight again. And if you see here, the bands came in and got tight. Well, the next time the bands get tight and we get some tight action on this again, I don't know how well you can see this. But once again, those bands get tight, we should get a little consolidation, slightly sideways action. And when, like I said, these bands come together like that, you'll get that upward move again. So actually dead spot on where I have it. I expect maybe one more leg up, one more pull up for Ethereum to continue to go to the price levels I said. Yes, this is not financial advice. This is just my strategy. These are the things that I do. So this will be my strategy. This is my format. Do your own research. As we know, cryptocurrency is very volatile. This is the 4-hourly. If you would like to follow me on TradingView on the 4-hourly, high volatile waves, you see the price. If you trade on emotion, you'll never make it. So please put your stop limits in. Put your profit taking in at 5,500 max. Go a little shorter. Put some at 4,300 just in case we hit that exact resistance again and it smashes down. You'll take some 43, 42 just to cover your base. I'm going to be doing this instead of 4,000. I'm going to 43, and then I may top out somewhere in the 52, 54 range to beat the whales at the 5,500. Don't know if we're going to get the 5,500. Not sure. So please don't quote me on 5,500 as being a Nike check mark. Let's just do it. I'm not really sure 100%. So without further ado, not trying to keep this going too long, but if you did look, we are well above the EMA exponential moving average. We're coming sideways here. The bands are starting to get tight again. Hopefully we get some tight action here. The Bollinger Bands outside will get tight. The EMA ribbon will get tight, and then we'll proceed to get another action up as they are getting separated here with another tight movement coming. So Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. Gentleman worked on the New York Mercantile Exchange building. Loved it there. Watched all the traders trade. In my video just before, we talked about how you can put your sell order in. OCO order, if you like an OCO ticket. One cancels the other, basically. These orders here, it'll be your profit taking. It'll be your stop. So if you want to stop the bleeding, if you want to stop the losing of the money, you'll wait for this to come under this price, put the price in. Once it triggers under the price you put, it'll start selling out. If it goes below the limit, and it goes below it, it'll stop selling altogether. You'll be safe. It'll come all the way down. You'll wait for it to come back up, and you'll put an order in to either buy at the dip, or you'll just wait for it to go above again to the price you wanted, and you'll completely fill your order. Say 60,000. We bought it at 50. You're making a 10K on that move. So let me go. I do have to adjust some orders. Seriously, I have to adjust a lot of orders on my platform here now, as I just realized I do TA live for you. I learn as well as we go live. So most of these videos are not actually scripted. I actually have to do this with you live. So if I make a mistake, I make a mistake live, and I come back and I say, hey, mistake, but we're gonna have a good day. La-di-da-da. Yeah. So hit the like, subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and we're going soon. Take care, everyone. Peace out. Peace in. Love y'all, and enjoy your weekend. We will come one more video, probably with NKN. I know it's a Saturday morning. It's early for you. Go get your cup of coffee. Watch a nice 12-minute video about Bitcoin and Ethereum, and see if you could use this as your little Bible for the next weekend and next couple days, perhaps the week following through. So let's see what happens here. We're here for you. Just hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell notification to all, so when something important does arise, well, you're going to get the notification that Wall Street Pete is here for you. Take care. Make sure you hit the like button. It's very important. And the share. If you don't do these things, we can't grow. We can't get these wonderful people to find our channel and to continue to grow, as we're getting new people every day. And I love their feedback. Put in the comment section a coin that you would like to go over on the next video, perhaps tonight. We're going to have family night tonight, but there will be a video. I do one more before the end of this day. And if perhaps Bitcoin starts going crazy, you already know I'll be here. So in the comment section, not many people are doing this. Put the token, the asset you want Wall Street Pete to break down on TradingView, and we'll do it for you. But if you don't do it, well, guess what? I'm only doing NKN then, and you're going to be really disappointed. So if you have a token, if you have something you want to talk about, and you want me to do some live TA and something on my strategies that I would take, then please put it in the comment section. Yell me out, shout me out, do what you got to do. I'll see it. I comment to everyone, as I take my time to do that every day. So please, if I could take the time out to hit every like on your comments, you could definitely hit the like on every one of my videos. Thanks again. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful weekend. If I don't say it, take care. Tune in and tune out. Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto.